Yeah, it's Net Solution. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can download, how you can make some money using ChatGPT. I'll show you guys how I was able to generate a poem using ChatGPT and then sell it online. Okay, I'll show you guys how I do that. As you can see on my screen, this is an online where they will allow you to write an article to publish your news, and then you can also write a poem. As you can see online, it shows they are paying $0.08 per word you write. Okay, then $50 per poem. Okay, now I want to show you guys how you can be able to write this even without having any experience on ChatGPT on writing. You don't have any experience, you're not a writer, you don't have any experience on writing. I will show you how you can be able to make this income online without having any experience. Okay, now if you're new on my channel, click on subscribe button. This is Net Solution. Click on subscribe button and also like this video, then share this video to reach others. Yeah, there is this software which is trending online called ChatGPT. Do you know there are many things you can do with ChatGPT? You can use ChatGPT to do a lot of things. You can use ChatGPT to generate anything you wish to do with ChatGPT. It's just like interacting with human. Okay. Now I will show you guys how I was able to write a poem using ChatGPT. I have not written a poem before. I'm not a writer. I have not written poem before. I'm not a writer, but I was able to write a poem using ChatGPT. Then I publish it online and sell it on this site called creativewritingnews.com. Okay, now let us move on. Let me show you guys how I was able to generate the poem using ChatGPT. Okay, here in my browser, I have to open ChatGPT. This is the name of the site, chat.openai.com. Okay, chat.openai.com. Okay, that is the ChatGPT site, chat.openai.com. Okay, now how I did that was, as you are in ChatGPT, what you need to do is, once you have searched for the site chat.openai.com, then I want to program a poem. I say hi. Okay, it replies and say, hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, it asks me how you can assist me for today. Now I'll say, can you write a poem for me? Let's watch and see the magic. It says, of course, I'll be delighted to write a poem for you. Could you please provide me with a topic or theme you would like the poem to be about? Okay, now it's asking me to provide a topic of the poem. I can say write a poem about glowing lights, inspiration, anything at all. But in case you don't have anything to write, you don't have anything in mind, there's no problem. You can still ask ChatGPT to generate the poem for you randomly. ChatGPT will just generate a topic for you and then write a poem for you. Then you can copy and paste on the site that requested it and earn your $50. Okay, now let's proceed. Let me assume I don't have any poem in mind. I'll write generate a topic and write. Generate a topic and write the poem. Let's see what will happen. Okay, as you can see what's happening there, ChatGPT is writing the poem for me. Yeah, it's still writing. Okay, now I'm done generating poem. Now here is the poem is just generated. I think on the site, let me check the requirements of the site. I want to publish the poem here on this site. Okay, here is the requirements of this site. Okay, now the site should submit as a document. Okay, on this email. The next one was title your email submission. Title your email submission, then title. Okay, now provide a short 1 to 2 lines cover letter with a story name and word count. Okay, now I'll ask for the title, although the title might be there, but I don't have the time to read it. What's the title of this poem? What's the title of this poem? The Enchanted Verse, a journey through twilight. Okay, here is the title of the poem. Okay, now I copy the title. Okay, first I'll ask you to write 2 lines. Provide okay, I'll copy this and I'll paste it on here. Provide a short 1 to 2 lines cover letter. Okay, the title, The Enchanted Verse, a journey through twilight. Word count 131. Do you know why the title was added and the word count was added? Here they ask provide a short 1 to 2 line cover letter with the story's name. That is why the title was there, and the word count. Okay, that's why ChatGPT added it. This is the story name and this is the word count. Now here is the cover letter. Now what I have to do is to copy this verse, copy it and then paste. Here is the name. It asked me to add my name here. Okay, now I copy this. Then I'll go to my notes. Okay, here in my notes, I'll paste that which I copied. Here is the 1 to 2 lines of this description. Okay, now we have copied the letter we are going to send to the site. Now here is the title. Here's the title. Okay, I press the title and the word count. Now we are done. Now the next thing is to submit the writing through this email. Okay, now what we have to do is he says you submit as document. Okay, submit as document. Now I go to my Microsoft Word, paste all that I copied here. I don't want it to be in this form. Let me copy it from here. I copy this. Okay, before I copy this, I add my name here. Here should be the answer. Try to read before you publish. I think I'm done. Do not copy cover letter, just copy this. Okay, now I paste it here. I think I'm done. I may increase the font to 20. Okay, now here is it. I have increased it to 20. Then I'll copy it back. To the email. Here on the email, Now I want to send the message through email. Okay, compose. Okay, send to. Here's the person. The title you want to send. Here is the title. Copy. Here is the title. Now the 1 to 2, provide a short 1 to 2 line cover letters with a story name and a word count. Now this is where we are. Provide this. Here is the 1 to 2. Here is it. I copy this. Now back on my email, I'll paste it here. Now once you paste it here, everything is complete. Now it asks you to, what is the next step? The next step here, it says please send submission as document. Please send submission as a document or this file. Okay, now I'll go to ChatGPT to copy what we generated, the poem. Now I have marked all. I click on Ctrl C to copy. Now I'll come back to here, delete all, paste that. No, I don't want it to be in this format. What you have to do is to paste it first on the notepad, then copy from the notepad. I paste it here, then Ctrl A, I copy again, and then here Ctrl V, I'll paste it here. I think I should reduce the size. I reduce it to 18. Okay, now that we are done, I have to save the file so I can publish it. Okay, now I have saved the file. Okay, now I have to upload the file. The best way is to just click here, then go to document, and then here is it. Add it here. Now click on send. Okay, as you can see here, I've sent the message and the email was attached here. The document was attached here. Now they will message me if they truly like the poem, and then I'll get paid through that. Yeah, if you like this video, just click on that subscribe button and then also share the video, and also click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload such video like this. Okay, thank you guys, and stay tuned. I will upload more. I will show you guys more on how you can use ChatGPT to do many things. Like I use ChatGPT to develop a car racing game, also a basic calculator, scientific calculator. I asked ChatGPT to code the website and it tries to code the website for me. Okay, I will show you guys how I did that in my next video. Yeah, thank you guys and remain blessed.